Hey guys, welcome to our channel. My name is Max.
My name is Patrick.
And we're going to show you guys the San Miguel project today in Paradise Valley.
Alright, so come on in. So we're in the entry of this home. It's going to be just under 9,200 square feet. We have 7 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms. And then this one is the main living area. We have 16-foot tall ceilings. And then obviously the main feature of the house is perfect views of Camelback Mountain.
Right here in the living room, one of the key features is a fireplace that actually wraps around the corners and is open on both sides, leading into the large living space area where you see Camelback Mountain with the great glass sliding doors.
Alright, so going back towards the main part of the house, we're going to have a huge kitchen here, 12-foot tall ceilings, opened up to the great room area. There's going to be a sliding door out to the backyard, and then a direct connection to the game room on the other side of that wall. So let's come check it out. Alright, so now we're in the game room. It's a huge room. There's going to be a 3-sided fireplace on one side with a big sitting area, a custom built-in bar area, and then on this side we're going to have a pool table and a connection to the kitchen and the great room.
Welcome to the master wing. Right off the entrance with a large master bedroom here, glass sliding doors leading outside to the pool. And on this side of the lounge pool area, we have an elevated spa. Master bathroom. You can see on this side, this is going to be an oversized master shower. And then right here in the corner, capturing the views and that amazing backyard, is going to be the bathtub. The master wing features 2 closets. This is his closet. We got her closet, the separate storage area. And obviously her closet's got to be bigger than his. The pool that is going in at this property is 120 foot long. On one side we got a lounge area, and on the other side we got a full lap pool.
So here we're going to have the pool. There's an elevated spa area right off the master.
So right next to the pool, we're gonna do as much landscaping as possible to make this a private resort enclave.
So as you come to the end of the play pool area, this is where the lap pool starts. It's going to be a waterfall feature down to the lap pool, and then this lap pool is going to go full 60 feet all the way across.
So as you guys can see, that is a gigantic lot over here. So what we're gonna do to enhance the outdoor entertainment area is we're gonna put an oversized gazebo here for outdoor dining, right off the kitchen and the game room. And in continuation, we're gonna have turf, a sports court over here where you guys see the pad that's already poured, and then leading all the way to a grass area over to the guest house. Hey guys, we're upstairs now. This is the guest bedroom leading out to a walk deck with straight shot at Camelback Mountain.